Bharatiya Janata Party has shared an audio clip, and that's clearly sensational because this is about a senior leader of the party of Congress, Digvijay Singh, on a Twitter platform, Clubhouse, that has discussions going on. And in that, Digvijay Singh is in conversation with a Pakistani journalist. He can be heard saying that the decision to revoke Article 370 from Jammu and Kashmir and then bifurcating it, downgrading it from a state to a union territory is extremely tragic. But he goes on to add that the Congress party will certainly have a relook on the Modi government's decision. Now, of course, the BJP has been quick to take on this video. Bharatiya Janata Party's Amit Malviya hit out at the Congress party, accusing Digvijay Singh of been singing Pakistan's tune on Article 370. Party spokesperson Shambit Patra even held a press briefing. He's called Digvijay's comments as a part of an alleged Congress toolkit. Union Minister Giriraj Singh and many other ministers have taken to social media site targeting the former Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, saying Digvijay has basically conveyed Rahul Gandhi's message to Pakistan. Meanwhile, Digvijay Singh, though remaining defiant in the first reaction that has also come after the BJP released this audio clip, he in fact has vowed that Congress will fight every inch to vote out what he is terming a disastrous regime, referring to the BJP.
Democracy was not there in Kashmir when they revoked Article 370. Then Insaniyat was not there because they put everyone behind bars. And Kashmiriyat is something which is basically the fundamentals of secularism. Because in a Muslim majority state, there was a Hindu Raja, and both worked together. In fact, the reservation in Kashmir was given to the Kashmiri Pandits in government services. So therefore, the decision of revoking Article 370 and reducing the statehood of J&K is extremely, I would say, sad decision. And the Congress party would certainly have to have a relook on this issue.
एक पैटर्न है. आप अगर डॉट्स को ज्वाइन करेंगे तो आप देखेंगे आज जो दिग्विजय सिंह जी ने कहा है, मुझे तो पूरा शक है कि ये पूरा का पूरा स्टेज मैनेज था. उस पत्रकार को दिग्विजय सिंह या कांग्रेस पार्टी के किसी बड़े नेता ने ही कहा होगा कि ये सवाल आप पूछना. ऐसा नहीं है कि उसने कोई रैंडम सवाल पूछ लिया. ये सब स्टेज मैनेज्ड होता है. ये टूल किट का हिस्सा है. 13 फरवरी 2020 का, उसमें उन्होंने कोरोना को लेकर राहुल गांधी जी ने एक ट्वीट किया था, आप देख सकते हैं, जिसमें जम्मू कश्मीर को पाकिस्तान का हिस्सा दिखाया था. राहुल गांधी जी, ये क्या हो रहा है? पार्लियामेंट में आदरणीय गृह मंत्री अमित शाह जी खड़े होकर आर्टिकल 370 के विषय में अपना वक्तव्य आरंभ ही करने वाले थे. तभी जो लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन है कांग्रेस पार्टी की ओर से, अधीर रंजन चौधरी, वो तुरंत खड़े हो जाते हैं, तत्क्षणात खड़े हो जाते हैं और खड़े होकर कहते हैं नहीं 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 नहीं, ये चर्चा हम कैसे कर सकते हैं, ये तो बायलैटरल इशू है, ये आर्टिकल 370 तो द्विपक्षीय इशू है, इसमें भारत कैसे अपने आप डिस्कशन कर सकती है बिना पाकिस्तान के कंसेंट के. और तो और अधीर रंजन चौधरी जी के पीछे स्वयं श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी जी मौजूद थी.
I'm now joined by National Conference Neta and of course senior leader of the party, former Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Dr. Farooq Abdullah. Dr. Abdullah, you must have heard what Congress leader Digvijay Singh said. He said Article 370 abrogation was undemocratic. As a leader who recently met Mehbooba Mufti and others, what do you have to say about this comment, sir?
I think he has made a comment realizing what the sentiments of people is. And people's sentiment is that this was wrong. And the Delhi government, the central government should reconsider what they have done.
So what the BJP says is that because of what Digvijay Singh said was primarily giving a support to what Pakistan view is. He's speaking to a Pakistani journalist. He's exaggerating notions.
We are not a Pakistani party. We are not in Pakistan. We are in India. Ever since the nation was made, we have become part of India. So don't try to label people as Pakistanis. It's a disservice to the people of India.
Have you find support, sir, in Digvijay Singh when he says it was against insaniyat to have arrested Kashmiri netas like you were, and that you think that in a senior Congress leader you have found support?
I think what BJP should realize, what Vajpayee ji said, any solution has to be found within the government of Insaniyat, Kashmiriyat, and Jamhuriyat. That you should realize. And this party must realize that. And it was not Jamhuriyat when they took that decision without taking the people of Jammu and Kashmir into confidence. We are not a colony. We are a part of the nation.
Will you seek support of the Congress party, sir, and their senior leadership on what Digvijay Singh has said, and have the Congress also into the Gupta declaration so that perhaps you'll have a stronger base against Article 370?
I do not know about those things. I have no idea about those things. I just say thank you to him.
Yes.
That he's considered people's sentiments. That's all.
And one last question,
We
sir.
are part of the nation, and we will remain part of the nation.
He's also attempted to bring in communal issues here. He's saying only the Kashmiri Pandits were given reservation in a Muslim majority state, and that the community was ignored. Do you think such statements can also really go against what netas like you have been asking?
This India was made on the basis of unity in diversity. There are multiple religions in this country. There are multiple languages in this country. There are multiple ways of life in this country. And therefore, if this country has to survive as a united country, everybody's sentiment has to be respected. Whether he's Hindu, whether he's Muslim, he's Sikh, he's Christian, he is Zoroastrian, whatever he is, you have to respect their sentiments. Then only will this country grow into a nation which will be loved by everybody.
Thank you so much, Dr. Farooq Abdullah, for speaking to India today. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.